All right, so Corey, he said he got the other one, the other raccoon. So we didn't have time this morning. He said this one's a little nasty. So I'm not really a raccoon pro. Corey said this boy's hissing.
He's hissed at me this morning.
What does he look like, the brother?
He's a little smaller. A lot smaller.
Hey, guy. What's happening? You scared? Huh? You want to go see Daddy? Huh? Okay. Here, Corey.
You want gloves?
I don't really need gloves.
I told you. I told you.
Woo!
I told you.
Woo!
I told you.
Wow. What's up, dude? You're okay. Wow. Relax there, brother. Damn.
That's scary.
Yeah, that was scary. Oh my God. That was like a Doberman picture. Go see Mom and Dad. How does that thing come off now? Oh!
It's on that.
Dude, that was his tail. How does this work?
That piece down there, there's a clip that clips to it.
Yeah.
The right side, you'll see it clips to it. Take that off. Yeah, that piece. Pull it towards you, take it off.
Dude, shut up.
I would have killed the thing already.
How do you mean the clip comes off? Dude.
Want me to show you?
Yeah.
You see this clip right here?
Yeah?
Clip it out, and you just pull it. That clip right
What
there.
do you mean clip it out?
This clip right here.
Yeah, can you do it?
Oh my fucking!
You just gotta show me how to do it.
You see that clip? That clip right there.
Yeah?
This.
Right?
You pull it out. No, 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 no. This.
Bro.
That. You pull it out, and then you just pull that out.
What do you mean by pull it out?
Do you want me to do it?
No, hold on. I want you to film.
I am filming.
Shut up. You filming?
Yep. Just pull that out. And then
what?
that thing opens up. Yep, there you go. He's coming out. Woo! Holy